Welcome to Keep the Faith Ministry News. The polio virus has been detected in the sewage water from New York City, health officials announced on Friday. The virus has started to spread locally in the city, the New York Times reported. Health authorities say polio detected in New York City sewage can be alarming. New York State Health Commissioner Dr. Mary Bassett called the recent reports alarming. The commissioner informed that federal and local authorities are determinedly assessing the extent of the virus's spread in New York. Quote, "For every one case of paralytic polio identified, hundreds more may be undetected," Bassett said. "The best way to keep adults and children polio-free is through safe and effective immunization. Polio can end up in long-term paralysis of the arms and legs and can be fatal. Therefore, health officials are advocating polio shots for those unvaccinated." The authorities also stated that regular vaccination appointments among children have lessened since the pandemic in New York. They believe it may be the reason for a surge in the risk of outbreaks. Over 14% of children living in NYC aged between 6 months to 5 years have not completed their vaccination course against polio, health authorities said. These children are under risk as they are not fully protected against the virus. Most adults were vaccinated against the virus in childhood. At least 80% of people have been vaccinated across New York State. The spread of polio is a potential risk to unvaccinated people, although the polio vaccine is not 100% effective in fully immunized people. Recent case of polio and further risk. Friday's announcement came after a man was stricken with polio that left him with paralysis. He lived north of New York City in Rockland County. Health officials said they detected the virus in the wastewater in Rockland County and neighboring Orange County, according to the CNBC. According to the health department, polio detected in New York City sewage could lead to other cases of paralytic polio. This is the first time polio has been detected in NYC. Before the recent outbreak, the last case of the virus was detected in 2013 in the United States, the New York Times reported. Quote, "We are amid the perils of the last days, and trying times are before us. Everything that can be shaken will be shaken, that those things that cannot be shaken may remain. Drought, famine, pestilence, earthquakes, casualties by sea and land will multiply. Life will be unsafe anywhere, only as the life is hid with Christ in God. Now, while the angels are holding the four winds, is our opportunity to seek the Lord most earnestly." Manuscript Releases, Volume 20, page 285. This is Keep the Faith Ministry News. Thank you for watching.